hello all. Just now we have seen the working of this washing machine. Now we will start now we will see how this washing machine will fulfill the customer requirements. Okay. Now I'll simulate this model. First I'll make this switch to the 0. Okay. And this switch is also to the 0. So that means my washing machine is off. Now you can see I am simulating my model. Now it's in compiling state. Initially it is in compiling state. So I just now explain you working, how it's working, initialization, then fill, then wash, then resin, spin, and repeat or stop. So how does it working and all these things just now I have explained you. Okay. So you can see once the compilation is done. Okay. So you are able to see here their red color. Okay, where supply should need to be on. Okay, until and unless I'll make this to the on, you can see, and cycle is also on. So you can see the filling is started now. That fill means water is getting filled inside it, and it should wait for the 30 seconds. You can see now the washing, it's in washing state. Okay, you can see the time here parallelly now, it's in resin state. And now you can see it will go into the spin state purple. Okay, you can see it went to the spin state. And this same process will repeat again and again and again and again. You can see it very for very short duration it was the red, then suddenly it become a green or blue. Now I'll try to make it this off. If cycle is off, then power supply need to be on. If cycle is on, you can see and suddenly where I stopped from there it started for the washing. You can see now supply is on, but it is working there. Okay, fine. So now I'll show you how we can count a time for this. Okay, I'll go inside it. I'll tell you. So you can see it's coming from here. Okay, here wait time is 30 second, 40 second, 40 second, 40 second. 40, 40, 40, 120, 120 plus 30, 150. So total cycle time is 150. You can see here now also when the model is simulating, it is getting transitions. Now it's in a field state. After 30 seconds, it's become to the wash state. You can see time here at the down. And then it will move to the another state. Okay, then it will move to the spin. Then it will go there. Fine. Now I'll stop this simulation and I'll show you how 150 seconds it's occupying to do this thing. Okay. So instead of showing here, I'll show you here directly. You can see current time will become a 0. First it will compile, just a second. Now it's compiled, you can see it started with 0, initially came here. Once the 30 second will complete, you can see it will come to the wash. You can see at 32, it came to the wash. So 32 plus 40, 30 plus 40, how much it is? 70. At the 70 second, it came here. 70 plus 40, that is 110. At 110 second, it will come here. You can see now 109, you can see 110. Once it's done, it came here. Then immediately, this after 40 second, it will go to the ideal. So that is 150. Okay, it came for the ideal for some time only. Here we are not having any delay. We haven't written anything like after 40 second or something. So it won't stop here. Okay. So in this way, this washing machine is working, and these are our different outputs. For the understanding, I have used the lamp here in different colors. So I have shown you here inside also how these states are changing and how these lamp lights are changing, because I have used here one variable inside it, that is LED, and that same variable is connected here inside the lamp. Okay. If I double click, okay, I need to stop the simulation. Then you can see that same variable LED is connected to here. Okay. So in this way, this thing will work. Okay. And this, if it is 3, then it is work here as a blue. If it is 4, then it will come as a yellow. And if it is 5, then it will come as a purple. So in this way, this washing machine will work. That's it. Thank you.